The iOS 17 concept is by far the best we've ever had from an Apple update. This new operating system will come with a smarter Siri powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT, an option to share your customized lock screen, improved dynamic island functionalities, and a whole lot. Here are the 3 best cool concepts about iOS 17 that will change your iPhone. iOS 17. Apple's next operating system is almost here with a pack of better upgrades.
Getting excited!
Among the long list of rumored iOS 17 features and upgrades, we have selected the best 3 upgrades that you need to know. Let's begin with Dynamic Island. Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island will receive a major upgrade. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max introduced the Dynamic Island feature that got everyone talking. The new addition allows users to track live activities right from the home screen, select and keep some apps on the screen whilst doing other things, use messages and navigation apps at the same time, continue listening to conversations on Twitter Space, even after minimizing the app, and a whole lot more.
I'm making your life easier.
iOS 17 makes it even better. According to Parker Ortolani, a reliable tipster with a good track record of predicting Apple releases, the Dynamic Island feature on iOS 17 will allow users to flick through ongoing activities, get notifications, and even have a conversation with Siri, as it will now be located at the upper part of the screen. Talking about Siri, the latest iOS 17 rumors suggest the upgrades and functionalities of the voice assistant in the upcoming iOS 17 will amaze you. You don't want to miss the details. Keep watching. Note, however, that the new Dynamic Island upgrade will be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, just like iOS 16, but available to all iPhone 15 models. New lock screen. Lock screen upgrades are fast becoming a thing with Apple. It is almost as if all new iOS upgrades come with better ones.
Don't let they do what they do best.
For example, iOS 16 came with an upgrade that allows users to customize lock screen using different widgets, a variety of fonts, photos, new wallpapers, and a whole lot of options. The iOS 17 follows suit and even improves it. For instance, when users receive messages in different applications such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, or even Messages app, the number of messages received will be displayed alongside a small size of the app containing the message of the user's lock screen. Users can tap on such apps to have a preview of the message and even reply from there or head into the main app to do so. What is good about this upgrade is that it allows messages from multiple apps to be displayed in a row on the user's lock screen. Also, as an upgrade to iOS 16, iOS 17 will allow users to share their customized lock screen with friends, family, or even on the web. This is not new to Apple, as it already exists in the Apple Watch, but to the iPhone, this will be a massive upgrade.
Beyond your wildest dreams!
It will be a major upgrade only if Mark Gurman's leaks about iOS 17 are false. Stay put for the full details of Gurman's report as we go in-depth into that in a minute. You don't want to miss any of our iOS 17 updates. That is why you need to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. We will be the first to inform you when the operating system is released. Siri. This would arguably be the best upgrade that iOS 17 comes with.
Siri, bring Jessica Tandy back to life.
Siri now has superpowers. As already mentioned, Siri will no longer be located at the lower part of your iPhone, but rather on the upper screen within the Dynamic Island. To activate it, you will simply have to press and hold on the side button of your device, or just say the usual "Hey Siri" phrase, and it will pop up.
Simple as that.
All ready to listen to your command. Siri will also come with new labels that inform you when Siri is listening and what you've said. It will also have an all-new history button that shows you the complete record of all what Siri has ever heard. Is that not impressive?
Huh? I don't know about y'all, but I'm sold. Yeah.
The new Siri on iOS 17 can also keep track of your conversations, generate text, and create summaries of information from the web. Siri will also use OpenAI software to get smarter. Should it be ChatGPT, then it would definitely be a massive upgrade and a big challenge to competing brands such as Samsung. Mark Gurman's report. Despite these enticing rumors and upgrades about iOS 17, Mark Gurman's report suggests that users expecting to see these features are just building castles in the air.
I live in a fantasy world.
Mark Gurman is one of the major gisters of Apple products with an almost no-error record. In his latest Power On newsletter, Gurman stated that Apple's focus on the XR OS operating system, along with iOS 16 snags, has also cost it some new features in iOS 17 and iPadOS 17, the next major iPhone and iPad software updates. That software, codenamed Dawn, may have fewer major changes than originally planned. The same goes for macOS 14, which is codenamed Sunburst. If this is true, the iOS 17 will simply fix the bugs of the iOS 16, meaning none of the new upgrades already discussed will be included in the new operating system. Do you side with Gurman, or are you expecting new inclusions? Let us know which side you are on in the comments section below. iOS 17 might not be the only Apple release to change the phase of Apple products. Apple Watch Ultra is also taking smartwatches to higher heights. Click on the link to know the top 5 hidden features about the Apple Watch Ultra. You'll be amazed. See you next time.